Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with grid life packing. So it's Thursday afternoon and I'm actually getting all ready and packed up. So I'm going to go ahead and pack up the RS, and then we are going to head back to my parents' house to wash the car, and then we are going to pick up my buddy Taylor's truck, and then I'm going to drive the truck back into town, fill it up with all my rims and tires and spare parts from my storage unit, and then we're gonna head back, load up the car into a trailer, and head to Road Atlanta. Alright guys, so we just made it to my parents' house, and we're gonna go ahead and call an Uber, and then we're gonna go get Taylor's truck. Parked right here at my parents', next to my grandpa's car. And then we're gonna head downtown, and we are going to fill up my storage unit into the truck and get all my parts, and then head back here, pick up the trailer while we're at it. And alright guys, the Uber is here, and we're gonna go ahead and jump in and go get the truck. Alright guys, so we made it. So here's Taylor's truck. This is going to be hauling the trailer. Shout out to T Madiak on Instagram for letting me borrow this. It's my storage unit, and here we go. Let's get it loaded up. So we got my track wheels and tires mounted, extra set of tires, some tools, never have too many brakes, my RS spare, which is currently pulled out of the vehicle, and I reinstalled the seats already. So let's get this loaded up. Got most of it loaded. Gonna have to make a second trip. Let's go down. Extra tents. Alright guys, so we got the truck loaded up. Time to go back and grab some more stuff. We got a cornhole set here. in case we want to play some games while drinking and partying and hanging out, you know, just fun stuff. We got the trailer all hooked up. You can see it right there behind me. And we are now heading off to my parents' house to load the RS up, give it a nice little bath, get all the snacks we need loaded into the trailer, and then we're gonna go to load-in day. All right guys, so we made it back to my parents' house with the trailer, so let's show you what we got. So like I said, this is my buddy Taylor's trailer. He's letting me borrow it for the weekend. He's gonna be with us, so that'll be fun. It's a little messy, but this is his trailer for his drift car. So it's normally just got parts laying everywhere. He does have a full toolbox, which is really nice, and I also have all my tools in my RS. And the magical piece of air conditioning, along with a generator in case we can't get electricity at the track, propane powered. And yeah, I'm super excited. Can't wait to get the car loaded up. Alright guys, so the battery on the camera died, but we're all nice and clean. I didn't clean the wheels since these are my street wheels and they're just gonna get dirty again. And my track wheels will go on once I get to the track. They're actually in the back of the truck. So let's go ahead and clean up all the pressure washing gear and get the car loaded. Let's go ahead and get the car loaded onto the trailer. Gotta love these focus doors. Have to Dukes and Hazard out of them. Can't complain with a free trailer though. Alright, we're in. Alright, so we're in, and now we gotta tie her down. Alright, trailer's packed. Let's go to Road Atlanta, baby. Alright guys, so we got our paddocks passes and we got our wristband and we got the truck and trailer and we're queued, ready to roll in. Look at that, we got another white RS over here. Rumor is he's also running time attack, so that'll be pretty dope. Come on, baby, boost! Boost! Don't stop now! Manual transmission problems! Of course they're gonna stop. Huh? I'm a driver.
This is for what?
This to go
through here is for bending.
Oh,
so having all of our cars go through the tunnel.
Through the tunnel and then around.
Big,
yeah. I shouldn't be too big. I don't know.
You should be alright.
Okay.
I hope so.
I hope so. I can't back this thing up now. Alright, what's up guys? So we finally got parked and about to pull the car out of the trailer. So this is day one, technically day 0. It's a pre-event. It's Thursday afternoon. It's around 6:30. They finally let us in. And I'm gonna go ahead and unload the RS and then pack up the trailer with all the stuff that's inside of the RS. So this is our spot, that's our setup. We got an awesome crew over here that's actually got music playing, so seems like they're gonna have music playing the whole time. Rumor is that the professional drifters are gonna be right here. They're gonna be lined up all right here, all the way across. Professional, amateurs, whatever they happen to have. My buddy Brian from JST Performance, the owner of JST Performance, is actually on his way. His wife's car actually had a blowout, so they're gonna be a little late, but this is where they're gonna be. So we saved them a spot. And there's John's car. There's John over there, you know, being social, making friends. Alright guys, so let's go for a trip around the paddocks. Got another RS over here. Juco Racing. Bunch of people on Grid Life. Most of the drifters I don't think have actually come in yet. It seems like it's just mainly time attack folks. We got Achilles Tire over here. Got the Bilstein shop set up. Ooh, wiring specialists. They build LS stuff. Oh, look at all these Achilles Tires cars. They got like a legit setup. Look at these tents. Ford Performance, as per usual. We're gonna double back for that. Nexen tires. Let's go ahead and turn around. Alright, let's check out this awesome Ford Performance. Look at that monster car. Bunch of Mustangs. Most of the drifters haven't showed up yet, but they're going to be back there. I'll do another tour again tomorrow. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm just sitting in the trailer editing, and make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing hopefully nightly updates on Grid Life. These videos are probably not going to be edited that well, mainly just trying to shoot them so I can get them out there as quick as possible and you guys can follow along. But please share these videos on Facebook if you like them, and see you in the next one.